I'm just gonna start this by one, saying sorry about the angle, and two, this is gonna be completely different from what I normally post. And the plan for today was to work on the Z until my dad did this last night.
Can't call him the Intimidator because that nickname was already taken. But he's the madman behind the wheel of that number 3. We're gonna see where he's gonna go.
So, needless to say, the plans have changed, and we're going to the Junkyard. Lucky for him, he is sponsored by said Junkyard, which is so funny to me, but also so convenient, especially in times like this when you probably broke more than you realize that you broke, which I'm gonna say is the case in this situation, because he got out laughing and he was like, we'll go to the pits and we'll fix it. And I was like, you're definitely not fixing that right now. And he was like, what do you mean? It's just an axle. Because he had just looked at like the rear and thought that he just like broke a hub off, axle, whatever. And I was like, have you seen the front of it? And he walked around and looked at it and he was like, yeah, never mind. Definitely not fixing that right now. So, anyways, all that to say is we're going to the Junkyard to see if we can find what he needs to fix it. While I'm there, I do want to look around for a couple things for the LS, specifically valve covers. I'm looking for the short ones, like not the tall ones, but the short ones. I usually don't have luck at Junkyards finding stuff that I need, just because I always have like the rare kind of cars that are never at a Junkyard, but hopefully with it just being an LS and it being super common, I can find some valve covers. If I can find literally anything at the Junkyard that I can use, I'm gonna do it, which I know is not gonna be much, but I'll take advantage where I can. Honestly, I just enjoy going to Junkyards and just like walking around and seeing what all is there. Is that weird? Like, I like to see like the old, like off the wall things. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Gonna head to their house and then go to the Junkyard from there and see what we can find. So let's do it. You want them?
I like them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them.
Yeah, I do like them.
An old Chevy van. I'd like to have me an old van to fix up. I did my first burnout one of them. You want them for your Z?
I don't think so.
I'll buy them for you. Throw a movie player in the back. Well, this baby had an air horn. It's supposed to have one of them amplifiers in it.
It's almost like you've done this a million times.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I know exactly what I gotta have for this. And them are two different sizes. Why they do that shit.
Happen to have like a box cutter. Trying to cut a radiator hose. I didn't bring anything big enough. That'd be perfect. Thank you. I'll be right back.
Oh yeah, we'll be here.
You seem nice.
Yeah, somebody always needs some. She said, y'all must not be from around here if you don't carry a knife. Got a little further out. Yeah, get up there with a 13 and take him 3 strut.
See, that one looks in better shape than the one you got.
Yeah. Yeah. And they get this tie rod off. They get bent or something else.
You take your medicine this morning?
Yeah, I chewed it up. I like it so much.
It tastes wonderful.
Yeah.
Just like chalk in the 3rd grade.
Drama at the junkyard.
Jerry's some funny shit.
Mm-hmm.
You are not the father. Oh.
But there's this one song, I don't know why, but I remember I was riding in the car with Wendy and one of her boyfriends, and they started playing this song, "That baby don't look like me." You know what I'm talking about? And I just...
It is. I forget the name of the song.
I'll play it
That's
for you
exactly
later.
what
It's
it
funny.
said.
No, you don't have to. Nice.
She texted me right after it happened. She said, "Oh my God, that was scary." But on the TV, you could see that you were moving around. But for us, I couldn't see nothing.
I thought you was dead.
They had literally just got
Yeah,
there.
they no quicker than they sat down, y'all started rolling on the track, and then you went a lap and a half.
Yeah. I didn't get to play very much.
From Tokyo Drift, when he flipped his car over, Tabasco sauce flying through the air.
Yeah, that battery was flying through the air, and that block of wood that's in there, and the battery box, and that tray, and the lid. I was like, holy shit. Somebody asked me if I kept my eyes open. I said, yeah, I kept my eyes open the whole time. I said, no, I wanted to see. It's like, well, here we go. This is what we're going to do. We're going to turn it over.
Well, at least it landed. You didn't stay upside down.
Yeah, I know. That would have been embarrassing.
Looked like a hard landing, though.
Yeah, it landed pretty hard.
Are you sore or not really? No? Yep. No more than usual.
No more than usual.
You don't need no food.
Yeah, these brakes are different. And the strut is a little bit smaller. So, you like that piece?
Mm-hmm.
Think you're funny, don't you? Well, that's the least of my worries.
Yeah. That's easy. Yeah, I don't know how the hell the axle wound up stuck up there.
I don't know.
Don't forget the rotor. All that stopping power.
Yeah, she's jammed. Shit, it ain't gonna come out. Tie rod's loose now. I stick my fingers in there.
I think that rod's alright.
She's got to take up night fishing.
Can't see good no more now. Late night and dark. separate right there?
What?
At this bearing?
It could. But you gotta take the boot and everything off.
Yeah, I didn't know it rained out here when I meant to ask you earlier.
Yeah, it rained like hell for a minute this morning. The radiator's twisted, look at it.
Mm-hmm.
So even better, even more shit. It ain't leaking.
No?
But it's twisted all the hell. Yeah, I still got a few more days working on this thing.
I don't know what this thing is. I couldn't find it, but maybe. Yeah, that and this. Yeah, these plugs go down. That one. Yeah, I gotta get that out of there. That's supposed to be under there. But I just want it to start first. This is the weird one. It's like half electric and half throttle cable. The other ones have a big box.
Yeah, because I figured it would run without those things. It would just run like shit.
That's what Joe said. So it would run. It would run good. Next thing you take over is mud in it. That's the brakes.
Shit!
This is all loose. Yeah, it's done more than it looked like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, for just one, but you just flip one.
Lightly rolled it over.
I mean, lightly, yeah.
But this sensor was broke, that sensor was broke. I had to go get them at the junkyard today and it busted this hole, this vacuum T thing up. Can you reach there and just stick that battery terminal on there? Yeah, pumped up. I mean, the fuel pump's coming on. It wouldn't come on if that thing was blown, would it?
Rose.
I mean, you see what my throttle cable is too.
Yep,
I mean,
yep.
You know, I can do something with that. I'm not worried about that. The only thing you can do is put a spacer in behind that to hold it out. Roll it up so that ain't like it's got a screw. Then again, it might take it a little bit to kind of retrain itself with that new throttle sensor.
Well, hopefully that'll fix it. At least she runs.
First time since it was upside down. There's a bolt that holds my door plate on. That bolt that holds my door plate on, it was stuck up.
To hold on to you. Yep.
Yeah, it was stuck out of there.
Yeah, you're gonna need a new body after this season for sure.
Yeah, this was.
Yeah. I mean, you kept it in good shape all year round.
I mean, it's run.
Yeah.
I can't say it hadn't rained good all year. There's a lot of other things, you know. Let's see, I'll take that wheel spacer off and put that one over here, put that tire over there. I got something to do every day to it, I guess.
Bolt it down, batteries. That fucking battery was in there flying around.
Yeah, I guess it's still alright.
Yeah, like I said, I know this is completely different than what I've been posting, but it is something that we do on a regular basis. But anyways, yep, so that's gonna be it for this one. I know it was a bit of a side quest, I guess. Definitely not a planned video, but it's just a part of what we do. It's an every weekend thing, the race and stuff. And it's just proof that you can fix your car with Junkyard parts. There is nothing wrong with a Junkyard. And I did score some valve covers in the short ones. And they didn't even charge us for them. So it's a win altogether. We love free shit. Anyways, that's going to be it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.